Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw Bingo from BLUEY. That's right. We're going to draw a cute bingo from BLUEY. This bingo will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the shell of the earth that Bingo is going to be popping out of. Let's draw the top shell first. I will draw some uneven, jagged lines for the cracks on the shell. Next, I will draw the bottom half of the shell. Let's add in some cracks to the shell. Now we are ready to draw Bingo. Let's draw in Bingo's eyes and her snout. Let's not forget to draw in her nose and color in her pupil as well. Feel free to make Bingo's head bigger or smaller. You can also change the expression on Bingo's face. She can be happy, sad, or even surprised. Next, let some little bits of the shell flying off on the side as Bingo bursts out of this shell. I should probably also draw in some land masses on this shell so that you can tell it is the planet Earth. It doesn't need to be exactly like my drawing. Just try your best. It doesn't need to be perfect. Now that we've finished our outline, we are ready to color in our drawing. Let's start with our green color and we will color in the land masses on the Earth's shell. I try my best to color within the lines and not to leave any white gaps. It's not perfect, but I enjoy coloring very much, and having fun is the most important part. Next, I will use my orange marker and brown marker to color in the cracks on the shell. Now, let's use our blue marker to color in the oceans on the Earth's shell. You can also use a different shade of blue or turquoise instead for the oceans in this drawing. Isn't it so cute already? Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Now, I'm ready to color in bingo. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your bingo. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your bingo's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little bingo. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as stars or rainbows. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of bingos popping out of the Earth's shell in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of bingo. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.